And we're back to chord world.
Where the wild chords live.
Yes, but today we'll meet a friendly one. The D minor chord.
D minor, got it. Wait, am I going to cry again?
Only if you feel like it. Now, place your forefinger on first string, first fret. Then your middle finger on third string, second fret. And your ring finger on second string, third fret.
Okay, let me try it. How does it sound?
Rather good, but try not to hit the sixth string.
Because the note doesn't belong.
Precisely.
Here it goes.
That was perfect. Now, give me a down-only arpeggio.
Arpeggio down only. Coming up. Wait. Something is happening.
Oh? Do you feel like crying, maybe?
No. Somehow this chord makes me want to hum.
Oh yes, I know the feeling. Like this, right?
Yes, it's a chord perfect for a lullaby to the full moon.